Assalamu alaikum. Hello my dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Abdul Alim, an assistant teacher of English day shift. Today I am going to take an English language class for the student of class 3. Dear students, today's topic is Lesson 2, exercise 3 and 4 CW. Now you are requested to open your book and you have to do your CW in your book. Okay, CW in book. Exercise 3. Change the noun in color. Dear students, you will see the nouns in color in your book, but here I have underlined the nouns to their plural form. Okay, number 1, the man is sitting on the bench. This line there are two nouns, the man and bench. Here answer man, men. The men are sitting on the benches. Man singular, men plural. Okay, plural noun, that's why is plural noun is taking are and singular noun man is taking is. Okay, number 2, the ox pulled the cart. Here the oxen pulled the carts. Okay, oxen, cart, carts. Number 3, the child is playing with a ball. Answer, the children are playing with the balls. Dear students, child singular, children plural. Okay, ball, balls plural. Number 4, there is a mouse. Mouse singular, that's why there is a, or there here will be mice in the houses. Okay, mice plural, that's why you have to write here are. Okay, not a. There are mice in the houses. Number 5, the goose is swimming in the pond. Okay, the geese are swimming in the ponds. Okay. And now number 6, the wolf attacked the sheep. This line is very important here. Wolves attack the sheep. Sheep no change because singular and plural same. Okay. Now exercise 4. Complete these sentences, the following sentences, with the words from the box. Here some words are there: glasses, scissors, pajamas, cloth, stairs. Number 1, can I borrow your scissors? Possibly this one is done in your book. I have to cut this. Number 2, my grandfather cannot see very well. He needs a new pair of, okay, this is done, new pair of glasses. Okay, you have to use these 5 nouns are plural. Okay, glasses. Number 3, I wear in dash in the night before I go to sleep. I wear, okay, pajama pajamas. Number 4, Rajat ran down the and out of the door. The stairs. Here will be is stairs. And last one, a washing machine is used to wash cloth. Okay. Here 5 plural noun. Number 1, scissors. Number 2, glasses. Number 3, pajamas. Number 4, stairs. Number 5, cloth. Okay, my dear students, keep practicing at your home, and you have to do SW homework exercise 3 and submit properly on Saturday. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.